Welcome to Learn MedZone. How our digestive system work. Let's start the video. The digestive system is a complex network of organs that work together to break down food into nutrients that the body can absorb and use for energy, growth, and repair. Here's a basic overview of how the digestive system works. Digestion begins in the mouth, where food is broken down mechanically by chewing and mixed with saliva, which contains enzymes that start to break down carbohydrates. Esophagus. Once food is chewed and mixed with saliva, it's swallowed and moves down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices, which contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes that further break down proteins and other nutrients. The stomach's muscular walls churn and mix the food into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Small intestine. Chyme moves from the stomach into the small intestine, where the majority of digestion and nutrient absorption occurs. The small intestine is divided into three parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Here, enzymes from the pancreas, liver, and intestinal wall break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into smaller molecules that can be absorbed by the body. Nutrients are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine into the bloodstream. Liver and gallbladder. The liver produces bile, a substance that helps emulsify fats, making them easier to digest. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine when needed. Pancreas. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes that are released into the small intestine to further break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Large intestine, colon. Any undigested food and waste products that were not absorbed in the small intestine move into the large intestine. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed, and the remaining material is formed into feces. Rectum and anus. Feces are stored in the rectum until they are expelled from the body through the anus during defecation. Throughout this process, the digestive system works with other systems in the body, such as the nervous and circulatory systems, to coordinate digestion and nutrient absorption. Hormones also play a crucial role in regulating digestive processes. Overall, the digestive system ensures that nutrients from food are broken down and absorbed efficiently to support the body's functions and energy needs.
Thanks for watching video.